Hello, crafty friends. We're gonna just do something real simple and fun today. So what are we doing? We're gonna do some stuff with some Snowflake Stencils. So over the weekend, I prepped these. These are little Arteza wood slices. I think it's like $20, $19.99 for a box of these. And they're actually pretty nice. They're a little ribbed, and I'll talk about that in a minute. You get the rounds, so you get the little ties too. These are all pre-drilled, which could be good or bad depending on what you want to do for ornaments. What I did is I pre-painted them, so they look like this. I pre-painted them with, this is that resin paint. I didn't spray them, guys, and I always spray or wax. So we're gonna do a little test and see how it goes with these with no spray or wax. I just painted them. It's kind of shiny. It's kind of shiny paint. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so anyways, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do Magnolia paste on these. So I'm gonna see, I think all three of these bottom ones will fit very nicely on these wood ornaments. But I think they're gonna fit. They may be a little large, guys. I don't know. No, I think they're gonna be good. See? See? Okay, so let's fuzz them and put them on. So hopefully I have these pushed in enough since, like I said, there's ridges. So I'm gonna go really light and try not to push. And I'm gonna try to just go one direction. Okay, you ready? Look at that, guys. Isn't that cute?
Oh, that looks cute.
That turned out nice. Now this green is a little, you know what? That green would be better, wouldn't it?
Would it?
That green might be better. I think we use that green.
Go for it.
That's
oh,
cute.
That's cute. Oh, I love it.
See, those are cute. Because I say lots of things wrong. Oh, that looks really good. See that? See? Aren't those pretty? I don't know if this is just one big one. I think it might be actually. So I'll just use a little bit of this to make some ties for it. I think that, would that be long enough to tie?
I think that's long enough.
Okay, so what do you guys think? I think they're cute. Got the red, it's Old Glory red. This is the peppermint leaf. This one is Old Glory blue. All right, well, you guys have a blessed one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Bye.